There is some political wrangling going on, but it looks like the Genius Act stablecoin bill moves forward. Why is it important it does so?
Hi, Ed. I mean, Genius Act is basically putting a basic structure of what stablecoin should have already been a long time back. The stablecoin bills or the Genius Act actually provides any companies who are doing stablecoins the rules and regulations around how to really release them, how much collateral do you want, what sort of underlining transparency and accountability associated with it should be there. And I think those are the things which companies like Circle were always watching. But putting a standard structure would help a lot of fintech companies, like whether it's Square, Block, or a bunch of other bunch of other financial companies to actually release it in a right way.
We've been asking ourselves, when this bill passes, what happens next? And the hope from your industry, as I understand it, is that there's just going to be much wider use of dollar-denominated digital tokens, dollarization, as David Sachs would call it, and has done here on this program. Yeah. Is that what you're hoping for?
Yeah, I'm hoping for three different results. First, we have to understand that more stablecoin, especially in US denominated, is going to have adoption. You are actually creating a soft power around US dollar. Beyond the $1 trillion deficit, which we already had, or the debt, you are actually making a more US-pegged economy in the world, which is really big for US dollars and the United States governments. And I think that's why President Trump is really pushing for it. Secondly, it does legitimate everything around crypto with respect to USD-denominated currency. It will give a big high for the prices in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other stuff which we are looking at denominated in USD. So that's a very big one. And third and most important is for a normal, regular customer, very Web2 customer, as we say, would actually start understanding crypto adoption using stablecoin and would be a very comfortable segue into crypto. So I do feel like not only for the industry, but as a country, it's a very big win.